Welcome back again, guys. My name is Arnold. As usual, I'm going to show you how to create a simple Hello World program using VBA's macros. First things first, make sure you have a developer tab here on your Excel. As previous videos on adding a developer tab in Excel, you can have a look at it. But right now, let us go all the way to the Hello World program. So straight to the code here, I'll click on macros. Then you put a subroutine name, so you call it Hello World. Okay. Then we'll create. So upon creating, you have the subroutine and the end of subroutine. So here in the middle, this is where you write our code. So just a simple message box, MSG box, like this way, then cross, then double string, then hello world, then wow, yes. And there you are. And just run it. Hello world with an exclamation. That's okay. So you can also edit something here. You can just write another thing here, which is a request to you guys. I can write like please channel Arnold Kelaini. See? Please subscribe my YouTube channel. So when I run it, okay, it asks me is this one. You say yes, and run. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Arnold Kelaini. So thank you guys. So this was just a simple message box. You see now it's very easy. In Microsoft Excel, you just put an MSG box, then into the brackets double string as for text word, text file. So you just write it, then there you are, you're done.